This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with Outlook open and your account working. First, compose a new message or reply to an existing thread. This places you where voting options apply. Next, switch to the Options tab and locate the voting buttons drop-down so you can pick a preset. If you plan custom labels later, enable the developer ribbon now. This avoids interruptions. Once done, prepare your recipient list and subject so the voting buttons align with the question you're asking. Now you'll define the exact choices recipients will see. Choose voting buttons, then custom, and enter each label separated by semicolons. Careful wording matters because recipients choose fast. Use short, actionable labels, approve, reject, hold, so responses aggregate cleanly. After entering labels, add any instructions in the message body explaining how to vote and how you'll act on results. Make sure to send a test to yourself or a colleague. This confirms that replies display as voting responses in the Tracking tab. Finally, send the email and monitor responses via message right arrow tracking, which shows aggregated votes once recipients reply. If tracking remains empty, make sure recipients use Outlook clients. Some web or mobile clients don't return vote metadata. Also verify you sent to the intended list rather than BCC recipients, since hidden recipients can block tracking. If labels were mistyped, cancel or resend with corrected custom buttons. This resolves most issues quickly. Otherwise, ask recipients to reply manually and aggregate responses yourself as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.